Hey, so welcome back guys and girls to a new video. Today I have an unboxing video for you guys again. This is something I actually bought a few months ago on Shopee for upgrading my camera setup. So it's a set of there's a what's they call a Boya BY-MM1 mic, and then there's a LED light for the camera, and another like a horseshoe mounting, like a U-shaped mount to carry your camera. So I bought this whole set on Shopee for just under 200 ringgit, or around, let's say, $50 US. So I think it's quite a bargain, and let's jump right into this unboxing video. So this is the box. How I got it. It came in this yellowish taped box that was in really bad condition, and I had to rip it open with my knife and my hands. It was a pretty tedious process. But I waited around 2 weeks for this product to arrive, and this is the first one. As you can see, it's the Boya BY-MM1 mic with a dead cat on it. I heard that this is a pretty good budget mic that is made from a China supplier or China maker. This is the second product that I got in the set. Is the LED video lighting camera. So basically, you can mount this onto the shotgun mount on your camera and provide basically lighting on the spot while you are filming. Then for the third, last but not least, I have this U-handle tripod. I don't know how to call this, but it's basically something where you can mount your phone or your camera on with all of the gadgets. And this is the specifications at the back. And yeah, that's basically the three stuff that I got, and let's move on. So I'm unboxing this first Boya BY-MM1 mic. The packaging is pretty simple. You have blue all around the box, and these are the specifications on the back. If you want to read those specifications, you can pause the video, and sliding open the box, you get basically the mic and other accessories in it. This is the manual. You guys can read it if you want. You can pause it. I don't know anything you want to do with it. And then let's go into the good things. Now you have the mic and the accessories on the side. Now taking out the mic. Now it looks pretty funny right now. That's the dead cat on it, and we have the mic that is already stuffed into the dead cat. This is the main component, the Boya BY-MM1 mic. As you can see, it's pretty compact, pretty small, just like the Rode Video Micro. Now I think this compared to the Rode Video Micro is pretty good for the price. And this is the dead cat, where you basically put the mic in so it can reduce wind and noise reduction. It's pretty furry, and I think that the quality is pretty good. Moving on to other contents of the box, we have this mount for the microphone, so when you move the camera around, you won't hear so much shaking. Moving on, we have the 3.5 to 3.5 connector. This is for the mic and camera to bond. As you can see, it has an elastic part because. And then now we have this 3.5 to 3.5 that is basically for your phone if you want to record audio with the mic from your phone. And then we have this fake leatherish bag from Boya to put all the accessories that it came with. Okay, moving on. So moving on, we are going to unbox the LED video lighting light that has, I think, 64 LEDs inside. So it's quite a simple box. It's all black around. Then inside there you have a manual. It's all in Chinese, so if you guys want to read this, read for your heart's content. I don't know, I'm not gonna read it. It's basically quite simple, and that is it. That's everything in the box. Now it comes with this velvety carrying case, and inside is the main component. It's the LED light. As you can see, all the LEDs in front. You got the mount for the horseshoe mount on your camera. Looking at the side, you have the dial to make it go brighter or softer, and the back panel where you put 4 double air batteries. Now it uses a magnet to close and open, so it's pretty easy. You can swap the front piece and the back piece if you want a more natural lighting. And on the top, as you can see, it has the power on and off switch. The build quality on this is pretty good, I think, and I would definitely be using this a lot. And moving on to the last thing in the package is the Ulanzi. I still don't know how to call this thing. I think it's a U mount. I don't know. Leave it down in the comments if you guys actually know what this is. as basically you can mount everything from your camera to all the accessories that you want to carry around easily and quite stably. I just gotta rip this open quickly. It came in pretty well packaged and it was really hard to open up, but it took some time and I got it open. So what comes inside is basically one thing only, and it's the U-mount. So as you can see from the box, you can mount the camera and the mic on top too. It's from Ulanzi. It comes wrapped in this paper thing. So basically you just have to slide it out of the paper wrapping just like this, and then there you go. That's the main component where you can mount your camera, your lighting equipment, your mic, everything on it. There's like 4 horseshoe mounts at the top, I mean 3 horseshoe mounts at the top, and then it comes with one of these free mounts if you want to mount your phone on it for some reason. So that is basically everything that was in the box and everything that came with it. I think honestly it was quite a good deal, and these are some shots of how it looks on my camera, everything set up with everything included. I think that it looks pretty good honestly, and filming is quite easier now and I can get better content out quicker. I think that this setup definitely looks okay and it works not badly, and definitely recommend you guys checking this out. I'll put the links to the Shopee buyer that I bought it from, or the link to the products. And that is basically it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, dislike it if you didn't like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll be pushing out more content soon, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.